Okay, let's go under the hood and see if we can find fuse 103, and let's see if it's burnt out. Hopefully it is, and we can just replace the fuse and we'll have our blower back. Let's take a peek. Okay, so I just tested my blower motor fuse 103, which is this one here. This fuse is good, so that's not the issue. Like I mentioned before, I unplugged and plugged this back in, so that should not be an issue, I wouldn't think, hopefully not. On the next page now, they talk about this blower motor relay, which is 301. So what I've got here is this is the blower motor relay, and there's 4 relays in this car. This is the starter relay. I'm just going to swap these two. If my blower comes back, I know that this is blown. Ideally, I would swap these two, and the car wouldn't start, and the blower would work, so I could just get one of these, but I'm not convinced. Anyway, I'm going to try this, see what happens. Okay, so I swapped both relays around. These relays are identical. And the car started without issue, and the blower motor still does not come on. So there's no issue here. There's no issue inside the car. So could it be this? I think what I'll have to do next is disconnect that and maybe try to feed an alternate source of power to see if that will spin up. It would have to be either this or the thumb wheel inside the controller. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so I'm continuing with my blower issue. I made a couple of leads that I connected onto the blower motor, and excuse the wind. If I connect these to my battery, that blower is coming on. So there's nothing wrong with that blower. I almost went out and bought a blower, but I'm glad I did this test here, my electrical leads. So I'm thinking maybe it is there's some kind of a resistor behind here. Some resistor for the multi-speed for the blower. And I thought all along that my problems were because I came in kind of aggressively with the hose when I was cleaning this engine. So we don't need a blower. Let's investigate in here. Okay, so I just finished testing my blower, and so right after that I decided to start investigating this blower motor resistor, which lives right here. So what I did is I went inside and started making some calls and see how much this thing would cost. So it's about $125 depending on where you buy it from. No big deal. So before I decided to take this thing out, I decided to try one more time, and that was just to wiggle the connection and play with the wires. And I did exactly that. I grabbed onto the wires and gave them a twist, and I wiggled the connection around, and lo and behold, my blower came back. So process of elimination. Checked all the fuses. All the fuses were good. I tested the blower motor off the battery. That was good. And that pretty much left this resistor, which turns out it was just a faulty connection. Maybe caused by the water I was spraying around in there. Maybe not. Maybe coincidence. But anyway, we got our blower back. So good news. Price is averted. No money spent. Kind of happy about that.